Hi everyone, in this video I want to say thank you so much for your subscription. If you already subscribed, thank you very much, and if you haven't subscribed, do me a favor by pressing the subscribe button. This is what keeps me going, this is what motivates me to do more videos. So in this video I want to show you how I polished this Tissot to this finish. This is not a product sponsored video. I have owned this watch getting to 2 years, and I bought it used and it was already full of scratches, and I saw this product called Cape Cod and I saw that it can do something about it, so I risked to try. So what you also need to keep in mind is that this product cannot remove deep scratch from the watch, and it's also used for polished watches, not on the brush finish watches. You also need to have in mind this is having some oil in it, so it's better you protect your hand before you use the product. And if your watch is having inscription, in my case the watch is having inscription at the back, so you need to protect it. Other than that, you might end up removing the inscription, which might devalue the value of the watch. If possible, you can also protect the crystal glass of your watch. If you own an expensive watch, before you do such a thing, it's better you consult the watchmaker. If you own a vintage watch and because of scratches you have stopped wearing it, feel free to try. And you also need to keep in mind is that these products can also work on a lot of metals like gold, silver and the rest. As far as you are using it to polish it, it will work. Not on the brush looking watches, but on a polished finished watches. Before you start the polishing process, if you have a leather strap, it's better you remove it because this is having some oil in it which can have effects on your strap, so it's better you remove the straps from your watch. The size I bought is having 2 small polished cloths inside, and it's having this sweet scent which was not bad at all. It's also better when you cut parts of the ones that you are going to use. In my case, I cut even too small, which in my experience it was not helping, so cutting it twice big as my own would be better. You can also use this on rings, not only watches. Any metal at all you can apply. And as you see from the video, at first I did it handheld, which my strength was not in good use, so I was holding it whilst polishing the side and side of the watches and doing my best. I was seeing some result. As you can see, there's a black spot there on the clothes. It's turning black already, which means it was working. So at this point I was being encouraged to do more, so I did polish left and right, back and front, and I saw that it would be better if I put it down whilst polishing it. So in the first run, holding it handheld, I did the cleaning of the watch. As you see, I was seeing some improvement, so I was encouraged to do more. So on the second run, I put it on the table. You need to have in mind this is having an oil in it, so any wooden surface that you put the watch on whilst you are cleaning, it's better you protect it. As you know, this is a steel watch. You get a better result when you apply more strength in it. In some areas of my watch it was difficult to clean, so I sometimes also hold it whilst cleaning, but I was seeing a lot of improvement, so my strength was in a good use and I was doing the best that I can to bring this watch into a good shape, and I did very much. In where the strap crown is, it's difficult sometimes to clean there, so I was doing my best. And in this process I was also enjoying the process of cleaning my own watch, and it was a nice experience. So I was going back and forth and seeing the improvement. I was really happy. And at the back, at first I was thinking if I should even remove it completely so that I can really clean the back well. This is where the inscription is, the written is. It's good that I didn't. So I was using my thumb in protecting it whilst polishing the edges, and where the crown is, it was difficult to clean, so I was also doing the best that I can to bring the watch into a good shape. So at this time it was already the last round, the third round that I was cleaning, and I used a tissue to clean the watch. I was thinking if I should use water, and I didn't because my watch is having 30 meter water resistance, so it's a good idea that I didn't use water to clean it. In all, I spent like 30 to 40 minutes in polishing and cleaning this watch, and the end result is so amazing. This is the result of all my hard work. Just look at how beautiful, classic, elegance this vintage watch is looking right now. It's so nice and beautiful and so appealing to look at. And when I put on my wrist, it was looking so beautiful. And the reflection on the orange there, it was so nice. And as you can see, at first I cannot even see my face there. Now I can't even use it as a mirror. So the watch was looking so nice and so beautiful. This product really works. This is not a product sponsored video, so you can try if you want. And it was so nice how this watch is being transformed right now. And you can also see some pictures from different angles. In some angles you can see some scratch there, some of the deep one is still there, but it was so far better than at first, and it was so nice. It's even getting close to when it was new. I could imagine that. So please do me a favor by pressing the subscribe button, and looking forward to see you again in my next video. Thank you very much for watching up to this point, and see you again.